Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Matt once again back with another video. Yesterday I picked up my truck, and right after I picked up my truck, the truck was completely empty. There was no fuel in it. So I went and, well, I guess they were supposed to give me the truck with everything, with fuel and everything, check out good, okay. But when I pick up the truck, there was no fuel, and I had to go put fuel in it. So I was thinking that if it's gonna be a unoperated truck, and if you're leasing the truck to the owner, everything's supposed to be done, ready to go, PM and everything. Because if I take that truck, I'm running that truck, I'm gonna have to do everything out of my pocket. So but there was no fuel, and I talked to somebody over there. They told me that, yeah, go ahead and get fuel and get half tank, and then send me the receipt, and they will reimburse me or pay me for that, or they will not charge me for the half tank. Like, well, the truck is already on empty. Everything is might give me a full tank, and then whatever else I do after that, that'll be on me. But anyways, and yeah, I got my foot in the truck and tried to crank up the APU. Yeah, it wouldn't work, and it was kind of cold last night, and the truck does not idle. So yeah, APU not working, truck can't idle, so I have to sleep. I didn't want to keep coming every 4 minutes and restart the truck, and yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can take it to a shop and have them take a look at it, and then go from there. But yeah, day one. Yeah, I have to back that all the way to Illinois from OKC to go pick up an empty, and then after I pick up the empty, I guess they will have another load for me. Oh, but since my AP is not working, they're gonna route me to a shop, and that's in Wisconsin, to get that fixed and go from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm getting ready to crank back up right now to go to Illinois, and then pick up that empty and head to Wisconsin, and then go from there. So I see you guys on the road. Peace.